How to go first person mode in Apex Legends Mobile. I'll explain how to do this before the game starts and during the game as well afterwards in certain scenarios, which I'll explain a bit more later. But before you join a game, make sure the FPP is selected in the bottom left hand corner, because you might play a few games in third person that might auto select, so make sure in ranked match, multiplayer or battle royale you click FPP before you go ahead and join the game to start in a first person mode. But in game, what you're going to want to do is click the bottom left hand corner. That's going to go from FPP to TPP, and then you'll see right there as I change it, it goes into first person mode like that. And if you want to change it back, like you see me do in a moment, it'll go back to third person mode. You can do it as many times as you want between first person to third person. All you have to do is click that bottom left hand corner there. And this is going to be in games where you join and it's like third person. So if you're doing a game where it's first person, it might not be working like that unless they add some new game modes in, but currently it's like that. So if you don't see that in the bottom left hand corner, then unfortunately in that game mode you can't do it. But if you do, leave a like on the video and subscribe for more helpful videos.